Assalamualaikum, Ahmed here. Today we will be solving exercise C2 of the unit. Let me check the name of the unit. Light in the Night. If you open your books to page C1, so the solution is already given here. But I will be explaining it to you guys. You can write it on your notebooks or on your books too. The first, we have to find nouns, adverbs, or adjectives. The first list here says pulley, family, Gatly, Ellie, homily, tally, bully, and folly. These are all nouns. Okay, and for the adverbs, what adverbs are actually? Adverbs tells us the manner in which the verb is actually done. Work is actually done. Adverbs are of three kinds, how adverb, when adverb, and where adverb. Where the work is done, how the work is done, and when the work is done. So early is a when adverb, poorly how adverb, fairly how adverb, grimly how adverb, mainly how adverb, actively how adverb, chilly how, barely how. So for the adjectives here, it says adjectives are the actually qualities: silly, bad, or good qualities. Silly, curly, hilly, stately, and friendly, holy, costly, and carefully. These are all the adjectives. You can separate them. And if you still need any help, you can leave the comment below YouTube video. And in next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.